Guys, after unboxing it, I noticed something very interesting about this device. On the side, it has a USB connector, like that. So I'm guessing this is for your phone, and it's directly installed in the machine here, which is kind of interesting. I've never seen this before. So I guess you could actually power an extra device, such as a Android phone, or maybe a robot. Some robots will be able to connect onto this. So that's very interesting. Like, I think it could be a similar connection to Q Robot, for instance. Well, we'll test it out and see if that works, but that's very interesting. Something new that I didn't know about. Alright, hope this helps you guys, and see you in the next video.